Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, we have completed your lesson 1 Laura's new shoes. We have completed the explanation part, and in today's class, we are going to do how to read. Lesson 1 Laura's new shoes. Children, why do we do reading your lessons, children? In order to pronounce the word correctly, in order to learn the words. Okay, we are doing reading part for that purpose. See children, Laura's new shoes. Lauras, Laura's new, New, new shoes, shoes, shoes. Laura loved new shoes. Laura, Laura loved new shoes. She loved going, going to the shoe shop, shop, and taking ages, taking ages, to choose, choose her favorite, favorite, her favorite pair. Then she loved walking, walking, walking home in her new shoes, carrying, carrying her old ones back in a cardboard box, cardboard box. Laura loved new shoes. She loved going to the shoe shop and taking ages to choose her favorite pair. Then she loved walking home in her new shoes, carrying her old ones back in a cardboard box. Next paragraph. One day her mother, mother, one day her mother said, Laura, the toes, toes of your shoes are scuffed, 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 and the heels, heels, heels look a little, little worn, worn, worn. Put on your coat, coat, and we will go to the shop to choose some new ones. The shoe shop was empty, empty. So Laura could, could take her time to look around, around, at all the new styles, styles, and different colors, different, different, colors. At last, at last, her mother said, Laura, you have had a lot of time to choose. Which pair, pair, would you like? Would you like? All of you turn your pages. See page number 2. Laura sighed, sighed, Laura sighed. She loved the shiny, 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 patent, patent, leather, leather, patent leather, ones with the ankle, ankle, straps, 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 and silver, silver buckets, silver buckles, buckles, buckles. She thought, thought, the pink shoes decorated, decorated with tiny, tiny hearts, hearts, and fastened. Fastened. Fastened with pearl. Pearl. Pearl buttons. Buttons. Buttons were simply simply. Simply wonderful. Wonderful was simply wonderful. But most of all, she really really wanted wanted the red and yellow yellow shoes with fancy laces. fancy fancy laces. laces. Laura said her mother, "Have you made up your mind?" Laura took a deep breath, breath, and pointed, pointed to some dull brown, dull, dull, brown, slip, slip on shoes, hidden, hidden at the bottom of the racks, bottom of the racks, racks. "I will have that pair," whispered Laura. whispered, whispered Laura. "And I would like to leave leave my old shoes on and carry the new ones home in the box." The rest of the day, Laura was very quiet. Quiet. She took her new shoes upstairs. Upstairs, and put them in her wardrobe. She did not even try them on, but kept them shut away in the cardboard box. Cardboard box. Laura said her mother as she put her to bed that night, "Why did you choose such a dull pair of shoes?" Poor Laura looked, looked miserable. Miserable. All the nicest, all the nicest shoes, shoes in the shop had buckles, buckles, bows, bows, or buttons, buttons, and I can't fasten, fasten any of those. See page number 3, children. How Laura's mother laughed. Laughed is the doll. She said, "I know an easy way to learn, learn, but you will have to wait until until tomorrow, tomorrow, to find out." Early next morning, Laura's mother, mother, went to the shops, but she did not take Laura. When she returned, when she returned, she was carrying, carrying a parcel in fancy, fancy wrapping, fancy wrapping paper. "Is it a present for me?" present for me, asked Laura eagerly. Eagerly. "Open it and see," replied her mother. "Replied," replied her mother. Inside the box was a doll, not an ordinary doll, ordinary, ordinary doll, but a doll with laces, laces, laces and buttons, 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 and bows, 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 even zips, zips, zips all over her clothes. If you practice if you practice on this special doll, you will soon learn to fasten anything. And that is exactly exactly what Laura did. So the next time she went shopping, shopping,